Have you ever been willing to start a mocktail business? Like you're into snacks, you're making cakes, and you want to add something else? Worry no more. I'm here today to share with you 3 easy mocktail recipes that you can easily replicate and start a profitable business with, like right away, with basic ingredients that you can easily get and basic gadgets that is available in your kitchen. Now come along, let's do this recipe. Let me show you all of the things that you would need to get this done from the comfort of your home. Let's go, guys. Remember, one of the ways you can support my channel is to watch my videos, like my videos, share them, and buy from my store, Baker's Pantry NG. You can also send me super thanks, super chat me. I would really appreciate it. The first recipe I'm going to be sharing with you is the whipped lemonade, and I need just 3 things. I need lemon, I need condensed milk, and I need ice. My ice is still in the freezer. When I need it, I'm going to bring it out. Now, I'm going to zest this lemon because I need the lemon zest and I don't want it to waste before I will now proceed with the other things that I want to do. I've already peeled the lemon. I've removed the white part because that is going to make it bitter. Even though we have condensed milk, you want to peel out that part. And what I'm going to do, I said it's a very easy recipe. I'm just going to pour everything into the blender. I have my ice. 2 cups of ice, and this is my lemon. And the next thing is to pour in the condensed milk. I have half cup of condensed milk here. Oh my god, that looks so beautiful. Then I'll add in water. Now I'm going to blend everything together. Whipped lemonade is ready, and now I'm going to be pouring them inside this cup. Now, I said you want to start a profitable mocktail business. So we're looking at business that you are doing from the comfort of your home. You're not going to an event, and these are the perfect cups for that kind of business. So this, can you see that? Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. Oh my god. Now these are the perfect cups that you can use to start the business perfectly. You can do this every day. They are so beautiful. I'm going to cover it now and then I'll put it in the fridge. Let's do the next set of mocktails. The second mocktail recipe I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is the Panina Colada mocktail. I'm going to be using fresh bananas that is ripe, diced pineapple, pineapple juice, and coconut milk. So I'm going to be using fresh pineapple juice and fresh coconut milk. You can opt to use store-bought pineapple juice and coconut milk. That's totally your choice, but you can use fresh ones to be rest assured that you're giving out the best to your customers. You know, you can say that with pride that everything is homemade and is freshly made. It's your recipe and all of that. So let's get right into this video. I'm going to be juicing the pineapple that I want to use with this Gigason slow juicer that I got from Beams Marketplace. I would link their page in the description box. You can check them out on Instagram. They sell quality kitchen gadgets and appliances. Now let's go. My juice is ready to come out. Beautiful. Because I need this coconut milk for this same recipe, I'm going to be juicing it directly without washing the juicer. But if I wanted to use it for another thing, I would have juiced it outside. I would have washed my juicer and juiced it afresh. So for juicing coconut with a juicer, you need to cut it into tiny bits. I always say it always make the work easy for your gadget. So I've cut it into tiny bits and I'm going to be adding it in bits because coconuts not generally are quite hard and you don't want to spoil your gadgets. Now, I'm done with juicing the coconut. I'm going to put off my mixer, the juicer, and then this is what we have. A very thick coconut cream. It's colored because of the pineapple that I juiced with it. That's why it's having this color, and that's it. Now that all my ingredients are ready, I'm going to proceed with making the pina colada mocktail. So for the mocktail, I need 1 cup of pineapple juice, fresh pineapple juice. You can opt to use store-bought. That's totally your choice. Next is half cup of coconut milk that I made myself, and then fresh diced pineapple. This is 1 cup as well. Then I have 3 bananas, ripe bananas. Three ripe bananas. And then I'm going to add ice cube. 1 cup of ice cube. And now I'm going to blend. You can double the ice cube too, and you can add 1 cup of water extra. I'm allowing my blender to rest. Do this for all of your gadgets. When you use them, allow them to rest, then use it again and again and again. Give them intermittent rest so that they don't spoil. This helps you maintain your gadgets. And this beautiful Kenwood food processor with blender is from Marhab Stores. On Instagram, they sell pretty much good quality gadgets. I'm going to tag them in the description box as well. So I'm tagging 3 pages in the description box that you can trust. Tell them you're from Most Cakery and they're going to give you quality. Of course, if you tell them you're not from Most Cakery, they will sell quality because they always sell quality. Right, let me blend one more time. Now my cups are ready. These are the mocktail cups. You can use it for juice, you can use it for mocktails. And this kind of mocktails, like I said in the first recipe, are the ones that you want to sell from your home. It's not like you're going to parties. If you're going to parties now, you can now use all those beautiful cocktail cups, you can garnish it. But this one is strictly for homemade business. Now let me check it out. Ready, and I'm going to pour. This is going to go into 2 cups. You guys, if you start this business and you don't sell out, come and tell me. Because these recipes are a steal. Let's cover it and put it in the fridge. We'll be back with the 3rd recipe. The last on my list is a very easy one that you don't even need any special gadget for. So this is pineapple juice. It's fresh one. You can decide to use store-bought pineapple juice like fruit juices. This is orange and this is lime. And I have honey, 1 tsp of honey here. Now, I'm going to be using ice as well, but it's in the freezer. Now I'm just going to dump everything together. 1 cup of pineapple juice, 1/4 cup of orange juice. So I'll cut the orange and then I'll juice it out. This orange has lots of juice. I love it. If you have a citrus juicer, even better. An average size orange is good. Now this is 1/4 cup. Now I'm adding the honey. It's just 1 tsp, just to give it a little bit of taste. It's different from the citrus and the pineapple. Then I'll add my lime. This lime has seeds, so be on the lookout so that you're not going to serve your customers. And now the lime is going in. The lime is 1 tablespoon. Now this mocktail is ready. Pineapple orange mocktail is ready. And the last thing I'm going to do is to serve it with ice. To finalize everything, I have my ice cubes here and my mocktail here. So I'm going to add it. Oh my god, look at that. And this one, because it's very, very juicy, like it's runny, it's water, like it's liquid, you can package it inside a pouch like this. Even if you are not going to be selling mocktail or juices or anything, these are some kind of juices or mocktails that you can make for your kids at home and pack it individually in bags, in pouches like this, so that your kids can enjoy it. They take it to school instead of taking drinks that you do not know the components. Now I'm bagging it. You can get a funnel so that it makes everything easy for you. Now this pouch comes with a cover. Once you cover it and you lock it, it's locked. So this one is even the best if you want to sell from home, because you are rest assured that there will be no spilling or whatnot. Now they come is already locked like this, and you can pair it with cake loaves, you can pair it with cake slices, you can pair it with pastries. You can easily sell out this one. Finally, my mocktails are ready. Our mocktail that you're going to sell and make money from. Now this is the whipped lemonade, this is the pineapple orange mocktail, and this is the pina colada mocktail. All of these, they're easy to recreate. As you can see from the video, you can easily recreate them. Now this you can sell as with packages, with pastries, with cakes, cake loaves, and anything that you can come up with. This one you can sell them with cakes as well, even if you don't have events, because we've associated mocktails with events. Even if you don't have events, you can still sell these things from the comfort of your home. Now all of these cups, this pouch, this straw, everything that I used in today's video is available at Baker's Pantry NG. That is my store, and we're located at Egbeda, Lagos, Nigeria. You can get this packaging item from Baker's Pantry NG. I'm going to be linking the page in the description box so that you can click and order, and we'll deliver to you. We deliver all over Nigeria and even outside Nigeria. Yes, we do. Let me take a sip from each one of them. I'm going to finish this thing. And it looks whipped, like it looks like something was whipped, because it's good anyway. It's very good. And now this is the pina colada. Let me take this as well. I feel like this is going to be filling because of the banana that is inside. It's going to be filling. Oh, well and good. And this one too. I love it. I love it. I love it. I hope you're going to recreate this and you're going to take an action. Don't procrastinate. Like I always say, do not procrastinate. Start now, start small, and dream big. You can achieve it. Till I come your way again next time, my name remains Titi Life. Remember, one of the ways you can support my channel is to watch my videos, like my videos, share them, and buy from my store, Baker's Pantry NG. Don't forget, check the page out on Instagram. We sell all cake and dessert supplies, cake boxes, study cake boxes, and everything you might be interested in using to package your cakes and desserts and drinks. You can see that we have packaging items for drinks as well. You can also send me super thanks, super chat me. I would really appreciate all of that. Till I come your way again next time, my name remains Cecilia. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.